I got Michael here, and he decided that he wanted to make a skateboard. So here's our form. This is the skateboard form that we use inside our vacuum bag. So you can check out the process, well, and follow Michael and I along on the process. So far, what he's got is what, Michael?
So far, I have some wood.
What do we do? What do we do here?
Okay, so wait, what's the name of these? Yeah, so we got the grain. So basically what we did is you grabbed 7 pieces and then we split them evenly, as in, so one grain going this way and then the other grain going the other way. So as we can see, this grain is going down and up. This grain, the one right underneath it, is going sideways. And we did that alternating the whole entire way. So the skateboard can be super strong like Superman.
So what we've done next is we took this form and we traced a little bit larger like this. So we don't have these sharp corners inside the vacuum bag. So what Michael's gonna do next, he's gonna go over to the bandsaw and just cut off those corners, and then we'll be right back. Okay, he's got the ends cut, both ends. And now we're just gonna do a little sample run. Before we put glue between each layer, we're gonna put it in the bag and make sure it's gonna work out just fine before we get the glue on it. Check out the process. We'll try and speed it up for you. And I will slide that into the bag. This is the trickiest part when we get the glue coming back on itself. Oh, it worked out pretty, see that, like that? Yeah. That's the hardest part. Let's do this. We'll try the tuck method. We go like this.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's okay.
How'd that work?
Pretty good.
Hopefully you just kind of pinch it all the way across there. If we need more, we have more of this. This is what we use to seal the end. Oh, we didn't put this in yet. Let's put this in there.
Oh my gosh.
What the netting does is it makes it so that we can suck all the air out. I think we got it sealed now. All right, let's check it out. You do the honors, Connor.
Do the honors.
It's going, isn't it?
Yeah.
Couple good questions. That black netting, what it does is it allows it so that the suction doesn't go right up against the skateboard, because otherwise it won't be able to suck all the air out. So that's what that netting's for. And we've got it. It looks good, right? Good shape?
Yeah, beautiful.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to apply glue between each of the layers, and we're going to put it back in and do it for a final run. Stay tuned. Okay, we've got our roller. I keep it in the refrigerator in the back room in a bag, airtight, so that I can use it. But I did just clean this roller, so it doesn't have any glue in it. So it's going to take a little bit to get this thing saturated with glue. Once it gets saturated with glue, it works a lot better. We're going to put some glue on here. You're going to roll it.
Okay.
Start rolling. It's going to take a good amount of glue on this first one to get anything going. We have to work quickly because we have 6 layers we got to glue. We don't want the first layer to be dried. Just don't get any on my bench. Just kidding. Go ahead. Okay, we finished gluing all the layers. We're going to stick it back inside the nylon bag first.
Good job. You want to do the tuck thing?
We're going to do the tuck thing where we take the end and we just grab it, tuck it around here so that it'll slide in. And it worked flawlessly. Want to center the skateboard up. We want to get this end sealed. Go ahead, seal that side. Really give it a good push. We can't have any air gaps. And then we got Connor here. He's going to do the honors. He's going to suck the air out of that bag. It's working.
It's working.
I'll actually leave this in here for hours, but I will leave it in this till the end of the school day with the vacuum on. These bags, when they're brand new and they work really well, you can actually take the air out, take it off, and it holds the vacuum, but this one doesn't hold the vacuum anymore. It's a little older. So you're gonna leave that on there. I think you can just let go now. It should stay. And we're gonna leave it just like this. We're gonna leave the pump running. Tomorrow, when he comes in, he'll be able to do the final shaping of the skateboard. He's gotta get his trucks and wheels. That's how you vacuum press your pieces of veneer, very thin wood, to make a skateboard. Thanks for watching.